Stacking a washer and dryer or choosing a compact all-in-one is the fastest way to reclaim floor space in a tight laundry closet. Choose a front-load washer and dryer with a manufacturer stacking kit when you have a standard closet depth of at least 32 inches and a ceiling height that allows for stacking. Measure doorways and the path from street to closet before purchase to avoid delivery issues. Remove doors if needed and protect floors with sliders. If venting is a problem or ducts are not an option, choose a ventless all-in-one washer-dryer that uses condensation drying. They run longer but eliminate the need for external venting and free up layout choices. Add a pedestal drawer under a front-load machine to gain storage for detergents and spare parts while raising machines to a comfortable height for loading. Install fixed shelves or shallow pull-out shelves above the stacked units for light storage, and keep heavier items at waist level to prevent tipping when you access the machines. Use a rigid stacking kit rather than DIY brackets to maintain alignment and vibration control, and add non-slip feet and a small anti-vibration pad if your floor is uneven to reduce noise and movement. Common mistakes start with inaccurate measurements, which lead to machines that will not fit through the doorway or into the closet, so measure twice and measure the route, including any turns. Another frequent problem is improper venting, which can cause excess moisture and mold. Switch to a ventless condenser or heat pump combo if you cannot run a duct, and include a small exhaust fan or dehumidifier in the closet. People also underestimate access needs for maintenance and hose replacement, which makes repairs difficult. Leave an inch or two of service clearance at the back and use flexible braided hoses and quick disconnect fittings so you can pull the stack forward when needed. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and provides a discussion community where we share real experiences, installation tips, and product recommendations related to stacked washer-dryer storage solutions. We help contractors find work by listing projects and letting them engage directly with homeowners through our forums and project listings.